Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today's gonna be a quick one. Currently at the moment, I'm up 63 bucks on the day. It was a bit of a struggle. It started off great. Let me show you the performance for today. Show you what I traded. Names I traded: IFRX. That was a good one. HCWB. This is one I struggled with a little bit. And I did make some good profits, but then took away some profits with it as well. And then VRAR, and those were basically, yeah, I think the three names that I traded. So here's the performance. Started positive, good start, all the way up to 428 bucks. So that was an excellent, excellent work uphill there. And from there, I had a couple bad trades and went negative from it. So, you know, I got there thinking, okay, let me get back to positive and maybe try to wrap up for the day. And it just kind of went sideways for a bit on a few trades. Then went a little bit deeper into the hole and then further down. So I got very close to the max loss there, 200 bucks. And then I finally was able to get positive on my last trade. And I actually had quite a bit of shorts today. So IFRX was one of them. What else did I short? VRAR. So I actually would have liked to go short a whole lot more today, but on, I think it was HCWB, I really couldn't get filled or get locates for the shorts. What was it? HCWB. This one, let me tell you, this is where I was doing good until things went south for me. So I went in for a trade on this. I wasn't trading it a whole lot, but once we got back up into this zone right in here, you can see, you know, 683, let's call it. We got real close to this resistance area, right, at $7. And I was kind of anticipating a possible break above 7, so I hopped in a pretty good share size. It might have been 1,000, maybe 600. I can't recall. So anticipating that breakout, and got in, I think, just a little. Let's see if I can find it. No, it's gonna take too long. Hold on. See if I can find it for you guys. 1325. All right. Yep, 687, 600 shares. So yeah, I got in 687, anticipating that breakout, and boom, we get a massive flush. So as I'm looking at this, I should have maybe taken a little bit more caution to kind of the pattern here, because what we had was a huge rush up, and this is pretty volatile. It was quick to move up and down. So moved all the way up, right, and then a huge sell-off. Right in here, second attempt, same thing, goes right back up, looks like it's going to break through, doesn't. Huge breakdown to the downside. So those two zones, those were kind of patterns that should have been recognized, and I was just I was more looking at just that resistance and thinking it had potential to break through it, and it did. But there's also that, hey, we came up once, came up twice, and 3 strikes and you're out. So got caught in that and had to dump it. So put in a market order there, got out at 675. So avoided a huge dump on it, but where was the other one? Let me see. Oh, no, that was the first trade. Okay, so I guess I was a little worried on it, so I dumped it quick, but it wasn't much of a loss. Here was the loss. It was buying in at 677, again, anticipating the breakout. I think when we had another shot, and then that was a huge breakdown for me, and I had to sell at 613. Ooh, yeah, that was a huge hit for me. That's what really took me from, you know, being up 428 to down negative on the day. And after that, you know, it's hard to work through it. But sometimes that's going to happen with these types of stocks, these small cap, so volatile. And I should have considered risk a little bit more on this. I didn't think I'd get completely flushed out, but hey, it happened, and I just dumped it. So that's how that went. Other than that, yeah, like I said, I was able to work back and get back to 63 bucks on the day. I'm sitting still with a current trade. Now I have a short on VRAR. I was trading to the long side when we kind of pushed up here. This was a quick one to go up. And I thought, you know, just from this move here, thinking we'd have a, you know, just absolute crash. So I got in a couple different times for a short and still holding a position here. I'm about to probably close out here soon. I'm up 284 bucks on that. So my average cost is 1368 going short. So I'm just looking to see if it'll break down anymore, but it does look like it's kind of making a flat top. It might break above 13, so I might just dump it here soon. So that'll put me up, what, an extra, yeah, 284 bucks on that. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you traded and how you did. Today was just, I don't know, kind of a blah day. Wasn't anything spectacular. You know, building up profits, breaking them down. Maybe should have walked away earlier, but that's how it goes. So anyways, you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one.